First, go to the 711Proxy website and create an account. If you already have one, log into the 711Proxy dashboard. From the sidebar, go to Residential Proxies, by GB, then open Proxy Setup. At the top, you can check your available traffic and expiration time. 711Proxy supports two authentication methods, API authentication with an IP whitelist, and username password authentication. In this video, we'll use the username password method. Open the username/password panel to start the setup. First, select the proxy source country or region. You can also choose a random location. If needed, enable ASN to filter by network provider. After selecting a country, you can choose a state and city. Next, select the subuser for proxy access. You can also click Manage Subusers to recreate one. Once selected, the system will show the username and password. These are your proxy login credentials. Now, choose a session type. A rotating session changes the IP with each new request. A sticky session keeps the same IP for 5 to 180 minutes. Then, select the proxy host. A curl test command will be generated automatically. Copy it, paste it into your third-party tools, and run it to test the proxy. Next, go to Get Proxy List on the right. Choose the output format, enter the number of proxies, and click Generate. The proxy list will be generated based on your selected location, session type, and host. Finally, copy the proxy list to your clipboard, or download it as a TXT or CSV file. How to use the API for residential proxies. First, click API. You need to add the host IP address to the whitelist for successful configuration. Click Manage Whitelist. Then click Add Whitelist. Simply enter the IP address and click Confirm. You can check the generated parameters under Get API URL. Now you may try configuring the proxy.